This is the easiest way to install Arch Linux on your PC. You need three things: an USB that you're not gonna use, any bootable USB creation program. In my case, I will use vtuber, the Arch Linux ISO file that you can download on the official Arch Linux page. Plug the USB into your PC where you're gonna install Arch Linux. Reboot your PC and press F2, F10, F12, escape or delete depending on your motherboard. Then we select the USB. Then once we get into vtuber, we select the Arch Linux file. We wait until we can use the terminal and we type Arch install. Then we'll get a menu where we can select Arch install language, locales where we can select the keyboard and local language, mirrors and repository where we're gonna select the region depending on where you are located. I recommend also enabling multi-lib in the optional repositories tab. Then this configuration, we're gonna select the first option. Select the disk where we're gonna install our Arch Linux with the recommended file system being ext4. I recommend not creating a separate partition for home. We leave SWAT and bootable as default. Hostname for the name of our PC. Root password, I recommend a strong one. User account. We select add user, username, then a password, and we select yes to be a super user. Confirm, exit. Then on profile, we select type. Then depending on what you are gonna use Arch Linux for, in this case it's gonna be a desktop. Then we have to choose the desktop environment. I recommend selecting KDE Plasma. It's the closest thing to a desktop environment like Windows. Then depending on your GPU, we select the drivers. On audio, we select Pipewire. On kernel, we leave it on Linux. Network configuration, I recommend selecting Network Manager. Then on time zones, we select our time zone. Once we check everything is correct, we select install and now we wait. Once it's done, we select reboot system and we can unplug the USB. And there you go. Welcome to Linux, and don't forget to subscribe because